because now if we're talking body, you got a perfect one, so put it on me.
Okay, I know I look like a struggle, but we doing our hair today, so it's acceptable. So pretty much I just showed you. So pretty much so all I did today was go ahead and do a co-wash because I'm on a lazy train. I did not feel like doing a full wash day today. So today is just gonna be the wash and go. But this is not the product I used. I used its sister and it's called the Grow Wash, and it's just like a co-wash but hydrating. So yeah, that's what I use from As I Am. And I did go ahead and just put my hair in a microfiber towel because we're gonna deep condition today. Oh, it smells good. I can't stand when I have shredded hair so much. Like, ugh. Okay, this is my hair. It's a hot mess right now, but we gonna figure it out, okay? It's a hot mess right now. So what we're gonna do today, because I am kind of a member from Curlbox, I will have their link below, and it's a monthly and it's a monthly subscription, and you get about a good 5 products for like $25 a month, and that's including shipping. And so this, well, I think it was last month. Yeah, last month I got the Curls, Cashmere, and Caviar collection. And so today we're gonna go ahead and do the mask and use the mask on the hair. So yeah, let's get started on this. Too much hair. Oh, how are we gonna do this? Okay, this is like my real true first video of a hair tutorial, guys. So we're just gonna put this section over here, and I'm just gonna do one section with you guys because this is a lot of hair to be doing. Okay, so we got this side, and we're gonna split this section into 2 sections. Now when I say it takes me forever to do my hair, that's why I never go to beauty salons, because I would be probably paying $200 or more just to get my hair done. Okay, so now that we got this section, we're gonna go ahead and add a little to the ends and not add water at first, because we don't want to water down our product. We want all the benefits. Actually, you know what? Okay, a billion years later. So this is the next day, obviously, as you can tell. There were a little bit of complications. So I noticed my hair was doing something a little bit weird was going on. I'm not sure what's going on with my strands of my hair, but like they tripping big time. So all I did is go in with the Keratin 2-minute Reconstructor by ApHogge, and this pretty much did the trick. Overnight after I did this, I had this in for like a good 30 to 45 minutes. I'm really not sure. Then I went in with this mask and I added a little bit of my concoction mask. This is not the mask that I use. It's like a concoction of a lot of masks in here, so yeah. And I just let that sit overnight and rinse that out. So we're gonna see how this comes out. I don't know why my scalp is itchy. Okay, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of my favorite products that I kinda like. If you don't know, which obviously you don't know, I am a product junkie. So when it comes to my hair, this is the products that I like on a daily basis. It's a lot of products. So Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly is one of my favorite jellies that I really love. This is one of the jellies that I will be using. I am kind of running a little bit low, so I do need to restock up on this. The next thing, so like I said, I don't know if I said it in my video, I do have kind of a subscription with Curlbox. I'll sign up for 1 month and kind of like not do it for 1 month. It just depends on if I think it's going to be some good products. And I think this time has Diva Curl products. So yes, it is awesome. And I only purchased it for like $40. So I'll be getting $152 worth of products for $40. Which is that's a steal. So I think it was last month, which was March, I got the Creme of Nature, I cannot talk, the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk collection, and I'll be using the leave-in from them, and I'll be using the curling cream. So these are the two products that I will be using for this wash and go, if you can say wash and go, wash day, not sure. And then I think I'm gonna go ahead and just use a little bit of my castor oil, which you can just purchase right there at Target for like, I think $7.99 or Sally's. And then I may use the henna oil, or I may use the Caviar and Cashmere hair serum by Curls. Once again, Curls is kind of like one of my favorite brands. And then for these edges, I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the Eco Styler like clear gel, and I just really like this on my edges because it really just tames my edges, and it's not like a crunchy feeling. It's just like an edge control pretty much. I don't like using this on the rest of my hair because I feel like it does attract lint to my hair, which may sound weird. I'm really not sure if you know it does that to you guys' hair, but I know for sure it will definitely attract lint to my hair if I try to use this as a gel on my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this for my edges with a toothbrush, and then I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse. So let's go ahead and do all those things. Okay, so what I do leave my hair in these twisties because my hair is so thick that I literally have to work in sections, and it feels like I do have a little bit left of the conditioner, but we're gonna leave that in my hair for a little more moisture because my hair is begging for the moisture. Wait, what am I doing? I don't start from the front. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you with a couple of them and then finish off the rest. Okay, so obviously I do have some more shedding. Oh my goodness, I hate when my hair sheds. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do is go ahead and go in with the leave-in. Like I said, I have not tried these products, so I'm just now opening it. Oh, this is hella thick. This is super thick, guys. Like, super thick. Like, oh my goodness. I don't know why I'm doing that because that's not how I normally do it. I take all of my products that I do want right in my hair at that time and moment all together because my hair do dry out pretty fast, like super fast if you ask me. This is truly, guys, a good wash and go because I'm really not taking my time with my hair. I'm just doing like whatever to it. It's just a lot when it comes to my hair. I need to find a beautician. Like, I need a good hairstylist for my hair because it's so much work. It's just so much work every single day. And I honestly don't go by like dime sizes or whatever. I just go in my hair like whatever. Cause it don't make no mind me. Ow. And y'all, I have so many fairy knots that my hair is ridiculous. My ends feel so dry. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take all of my hair and just scrunch it. Okay, so this side is through, I'm gonna go ahead and do this side, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so about 2-3 hours later, no, probably about like an hour later, so my hair is halfway dry, if you could say. So I just came back from church, and this is how my hair is doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix a little bit of pieces, because I can tell like a piece like this is like very frizzy, and we're gonna fix that. And so then I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse with my little cheap I think this is Conair blow dryer with my diffuser from Sally's, and it just looks like this. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that. One thing that I want to discuss with you guys is this is more religion. So if your faith is not in God, then this may not be for you. And I just want to respect that by saying that. So you can just go ahead and just skip this part. So my thing is that I feel like if you are going through a hard time right now, or that, you know, you just want to give up on things and you just don't see that things is really, you know, going out for you, don't stress about it, because God is there for you and he's working it out for you. You just have to be patient and have faith. You can't expect God to literally, you know, be on your time. You know, you're on his time and you have to wait on him, you know. So don't be in a rush. Be patient and just hold out, because it will happen for you. You just have to hold out and just wait. If you don't have faith, then what do you have? Nothing. You gotta have faith in God. Not by sight, but by faith. So that's my little thing that I just wanted, you know, to share with you guys. And just keep holding in and don't ever give up. I wanted to, you know, just tell you guys that, because honestly guys, for the past month and a half, 2 months, like, my faith have been, you know, it has been tested and it has shown growth in me, because probably like a year ago or 2 years ago, I probably would have called it quits and been like, I give up. I can't do this. Like, this is way too hard. Like, I don't see anything happening. But at the end of the day, all God want to see is your faith and your patience in waiting on him. You know, just wanted to tell you guys that, because I know a lot of people right now is just going through it, and all you can do is pray. It's like in Bible study tonight, my pastor, it was another pastor, he was saying how while we're going through our trials and tribulations, we should be rejoicing, because we're being taught. We're being taught, and it's not for, you know, to hinder you or to knock you down, but it's to help you grow, and it's to teach you the word of God, you know, and to have faith right then and there through that storm. Okay, so I am done diffusing. This is not 100% dry. I don't know, I kind of like how it came out. Got a little bit freeze. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take my toothbrush and my gel and just go ahead and go into my edges, and I'm gonna take a little bit of castor oil also, because I do want to like kind of make my edges a little bit stronger. And don't forget your pick, so when your hair do dry, you can go ahead and pick it out and, you know, just show out. So yeah, but yeah guys, if you like this video, go ahead and thumbs up this video. Don't forget to, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to go ahead and click that bell right by it so you can be reminded every single time I upload. And don't forget to comment on what's your favorite hair product, or better yet, if you're a hair junkie like me. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to come back. Have a blessed day. Bye guys.